I tried Nash Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first downloaded the Nash Wallet app, I didn't expect much, just another DeFi wallet with fancy buzzwords. But after using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that Nash might be one of the most underrated wallets for serious crypto investors. On day 1, the setup was effortless. The clean design gave me immediate access to my assets, but the real surprise was that Nash is built on non-custodial principles. That means you keep full control of your crypto. No one, not even Nash, can touch your funds. On day 2, I tried their integrated exchange feature. Most wallets redirect you to external DEX, but Nash has a built-in non-custodial exchange that's lightning fast. I traded Bitcoin for Ethereum without leaving the app and with zero custody risk. By day 4, I explored their yield options. Nash partners with DeFi protocols to offer safe and transparent returns, and the interest rates were competitive, around 5% on stablecoins and up to 8% on crypto assets. Most people get this wrong, but Nash's true power lies in its regulatory approach. It's fully licensed in the EU, meaning it combines DeFi freedom with compliance-grade security. That's rare in today's crypto world. By day 6, I tried the cross-chain functionality. Moving tokens between networks like Ethereum and Polygon was smooth, and the app automatically handled the conversions. By day 7, the shocking truth was clear. Nash isn't chasing hype. It's focused on stability, speed and transparency, everything most DeFi wallets lack. It's perfect for people who want the power of DeFi, but with the reliability of traditional finance. If you're tired of complicated crypto apps that feel like science experiments, Nash Wallet might surprise you. It quietly delivers everything you actually need: secure storage, fast trading, and passive income, all in one sleek app.